Welcome to Parkinson Picking Day 2 Video 5. I have a challenge I set for myself to pick this lock in 3 times in 2 minutes. I've got a timer that's going to go ding when the time is up. The rules are: have everything on the table, lock open, pick it up, close it, pick it, and put everything on the table and pick it up and start all over again. I gotta do this 3 times in 2 minutes. I know I can do this. Parkinson pick locking challenge. Okay. A little nervous, palms are sweaty, makes it difficult to pick up things. Okay, 3 second countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. Not off to a good start. Not off to a good start. Focus. Okay. Come back. Come on. Okay, that's one. That's 2. I'm nearsighted, so I gotta take my glasses off to see what I'm doing. I did it. Let's see how much time I got left. Wow. I had just maybe 28 seconds left. Yeah, I knew I could do it. Oh, man, that felt good. Plenty of time to spare. Fight the Parkinsons, man. Fight the Parkinsons. Thanks for tuning in to Parkinson Picking. Have a nice day.